Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. After months of anticipation and countless leaks, this fan edition smartphone has finally arrived. It's making waves with its massive size, power, and remarkable support. Let's dive in. So what's the scoop on the Galaxy S24 FE? This is the first time Samsung is launching a fan edition phone almost exactly 1 year after its predecessor. In comparison, the S23 FE came out 19 months after the S22 FE, which you might remember didn't even launch. So it's exciting to see Samsung getting back on schedule. Let's talk about the display and design. The S24 FE boasts the largest screen ever seen in a fan edition model, a hopping 6.7 inches. That's right up there with the Galaxy S24 Plus. And with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, it promises an exceptional viewing experience. But wait, Samsung didn't stop there. They've introduced Vision Booster technology. This enhances color and contrast, which means you can game or watch videos even in bright sunlight without losing clarity. Design-wise, you won't be disappointed. The Galaxy S24 FE feels familiar yet refreshed, reflecting the elegance of the S24 lineup. It features an aluminum frame, a triple camera setup on the back, a USB Type-C port at the bottom, and conveniently placed power and volume buttons. And guess what? It comes in 5 vibrant colors: blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. Plus, it has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making sure you can handle the daily grind without worry, though I wouldn't test it in deep water. Now, photography enthusiasts, listen up. The S24 FE keeps the camera setup unchanged from the S23 FE, but don't let that fool you. Samsung's introduced the ProVisual engine. This is where the magic happens. Let's break it down. You get a 50-megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization (OIS), an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel front camera. What does the ProVisual engine bring to the table? Well, it enhances little light performance for sharper night photography, perfect for those stunning night shots. It also adds enhanced zoom capabilities and an object-aware engine that adjusts colors for vibrant, lifelike images. And once you captured your photos, editing is a breeze with features like Generative Edit, move or remove objects in your images, Portrait Studio, turn selfies into creative masterpieces like cartoons or sketches, Instant Slow-Mo, capture beautiful slow-motion moments effortlessly. Moving on to the software, the Galaxy S24 FE comes preloaded with Android 14 and the new One UI 6.1. Samsung's commitment to long-term support shines here too. This model promises 7 years of OS upgrades and security updates. Samsung's Galaxy Eye is packed with features like Circle to Search Interpreter for live translations and even Note Assist for voice recordings. This phone is designed to enhance creativity and productivity at every turn. Under the hood, the S24 FE is powered by a slightly toned-down version of the Exynos 2400, the Exynos 2400E. This promises robust performance capable of handling demanding tasks. You'll have several options for memory: 8GB RAM with 128GB, 8GB RAM with 256GB, 8GB RAM with 512GB. Let's discuss battery life, a crucial aspect of any smartphone. The Galaxy S24 FE now packs a 4,700 mAh battery, a slight increase from the 4,500 mAh in its predecessor. Every bit of battery life counts, right? And for charging, it shares capabilities with its pricier siblings. You can achieve 50% charge in about 30 minutes with a 25-watt adapter. Plus, it supports fast wireless charging and power share. Now let's talk about the price. The Galaxy S24 FE will be available starting October 3, 2024, and it's priced starting at $649.99 for the base model with 128GB of storage. That's a slight increase from the previous year's model, which started at $599.99. For those looking for more space, the 256GB model set you back $709.99. Unfortunately, we're still awaiting details on the pricing for the 512GB variant, but it's expected to be a great option for power users and those who simply can't resist taking endless photos and videos. What do you think? Are you excited about the new Galaxy S24 FE? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.